When we run our code in a browser or Node.js environment, it's possible for something to go wrong. This could be due to invalid user input, incorrect calculations, or other unforeseen circumstances. Imagine if our website crashed every time someone entered invalid data. That would be frustrating for users and bad for business. Error handling helps us anticipate and fix problems before they become major issues. A try-catch block is a way to anticipate errors and handle them when they occur. The try part of the block contains code that might cause an error, while the catch part includes code to deal with the issue. Let's see what happens when we use a try-catch block to handle an error. We'll write some code that attempts to divide by 0, which will trigger our catch block. When an error occurs, the catch block receives an error object. This object contains information about what went wrong, including the message name and stack trace. What happens when we have nested try-catch blocks? Can we catch errors in the inner block from the outer block? When writing try-catch blocks, keep the following best practices in mind. This will help you write more robust and maintainable code. Here are some common questions about error handling. Let's address them together. To summarize, error handling is crucial for maintaining robust code. Use try-catch blocks to anticipate errors, log them properly, and provide user-friendly messages. If you want to learn more about error handling, check out these resources. They'll help you deepen your understanding and become a better developer. That's it for today's video. Remember, error handling is a critical aspect of coding. Use try-catch blocks to anticipate errors and log them properly.